welcome to another episode of Berg Performance, and this is a different kind of intro. We are driving in a BMW i8. It's a 2019 model year i8 Roadster, and the Roadsters are pretty rare. It is a very special car. The owner contacted me to let the car being tuned by us. He also wanted to have some external exhaust system on the car, like a exhaust or anything else like that, which we will not fit, but he will go to someone else to fit that exhaust part. But other than that, we made a good calibration for this car. So it is not a very common vehicle that enters our shop because they are quite rare, but we can still make and maintain a good tuning calibration for this vehicle. We also put the car on a dyno. It put out approximately 410 horsepower and 650 meters of torque, I think it was. That guy almost crashed into me, I don't know why, so I got distracted. But yeah, it is a very cool car. I don't know what is happening. Everyone is trying to crash into this car suddenly. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it is a quite cool platform. It has the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder engine. It's a small engine, but it has a bigger turbocharger. The boost pressure in stock form is already around 1.4 bar, I think it was. And we raised it approximately to 1.85 or something like that. This car does not have an OPF whatsoever. It is a USA imported car into the Netherlands, so it's impossible to have an OPF in these cars. But yeah, it is fast. The 100 to 200 time, I measured it at 11.6 seconds stock, and under the same circumstances we measured it after the tuning to 10.2 it was.
100. Half mile. 200.
So approximately 10 seconds you will hit with this car, maybe even a 9 point something if you just try and keep on trying all the time. But yeah, I just didn't because I did not have the time to do it. But yeah, I mean, it also sounds cool. I don't know what it is. It also has some enhanced sound, but it really goes. Woo! Wow, very cool. Also, when you're downshifting, it gives throttle blips in the period and time that it was allowed to do it because of emissions. Now it's not possible anymore. But let's go. First 2 gears are limited and then it starts to pull. Woo-hoo! It drives really well. So, you know, as I was saying, it is quite a rare car. We are not expecting to push this car to its absolute limits or something like that. We just want to have a proper and a safe, thank you tractor, and a safe tuning for the owner who will enjoy this car just like we do, driving it with the roof up. And it is a joy. It really is a joy. What I also think, like a personal note, I think BMW really was ahead of their time when they were producing this car. The car has a carbon core, so all kinds of carbon element parts in this car present. Therefore, it weighs also quite respectably. It's not a light car because it's a hybrid in the end. But for it being a hybrid and the weight it has, I think it's quite a good achievement. And with the electronic power that you have from the hybrid battery pack at low RPM and then the turbo kicks in at high RPM, I think it's a cool car. I like it. It's not that you can see it every time, every day, and it turns heads quite often, to be honest. Like almost people crashing into me all the time, so yeah.
A lot of heads.
A lot of heads, yeah. A cool car. Props to the owner. Yeah, that's it for this episode. It will be a little bit of a short one. I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of a special. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this car. Does it look cool or does it look sexy? One of both, please. See you later. Peace.